Hey, Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. A little chilly today, but the deals are still hot. So is this boat, 2021 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. It is a fishing machine. If you want a high quality boat from a company that's over 60 years in the making, this is the boat for you. This boat is an extremely heavy boat, handles the waves like you just wouldn't believe. Matter of fact, you probably won't believe it, so why we want you to come here and take a test ride on it. Let's talk about some of the features. It's a beautiful tectonic silver. It's kind of a new color they've got. It shines really well. It gives a lot of class to the boat. If you notice the big, huge trim tabs, like I said, this boat is heavy. Those trim tabs are to keep you stable in high seas. This boat is rigged out and ready to go way off to get them big fish. The ones that you know that you want to get. Come on back on the back and let's take a look at it. We've got powered by twin Verado 400s. It's 800 horsepower to get you there. Gets you there efficiently, safely, and quietly. For a company that's over 60 years old, you expect nothing but quality, and that's all you're going to get with the Boston Whaler. There's no shortcuts. You get what you pay for. Literally. You notice all the quality in this boat. One reason a Boston Whaler is the quality that it is. Everything on the boat's finished. Even up underneath the gunnels where you can't see it, it's hand polished fiberglass, same as the hull. Now we're here in the fishing package area. This is where all the business takes place. We've got a huge Tuna Door here. Notice the tension there, how that seals up really nice. You notice this has even got an indent cut. Keeps you plenty of walkway through here. Gives you the extra 3-4 inches so you're not banging around. You got huge in-floor storage lockers here for your fish. Great prep station, fresh water to rinse off all the residue from your bait. Have your frozen bait here thawing out. Everything's ready for your rigging. Everything's right here, handy. One thing you want to notice about the Boston Whalers is the quality of their stainless. 316 stainless is double polished and double dipped to get all the impurities out of it, so you have less rust, less maintenance, just high quality stuff. Notice right here, no one likes to do work on a boat, but when you want to tinker and do a little bit of your own maintenance, I've owned boats all my life, and the hardest thing about a boat is getting down there to work on things. This makes it extremely easy. All your components are labeled. Everything's easy to get to for maintenance. Keeps your bilge pumps clean. You can wash all this out. Just keeps the quality of the boat, the maintenance of the boat, super easy. So back here you've got combing pads, tow rails, fighting those fish, but getting on location, no one says you can't do it in comfort. Huge live well. Like I said, everything about the Boston Whaler is just built with quality. As we work our way forward, here at the Helm Station, double seats, armrest. So like I said, it gets you there in comfort. Plenty of room for the electronics package that you'd like for us to install with you. We have the Mercury Smart Gauge, Mercury digital throttles, and this is equipped with the joystick control. That even lets the captain do some fishing. Holds you on your spot, easy to access side to side, fight those fish. If you have a brother-in-law who you like to spend some time with and gets a little queasy, this little box right there will take care of that. That is equipped with Seakeeper, keeps the boat from pitching. We'd love to take you on a demo with that, take you out in the pass, get it to rock, and push the button and the boat stands still. This boat's so big, let's walk our way up to the front. It's huge for a 33-foot boat. You notice you've got the big lounger up here. Like I said, getting on location, you want to get there in comfort. When you get to the island, you can use this as an island boat, a dinner boat, but it's a hardcore fishing vessel. This has the swim platform, not swim platform, but the sun platform table that raises up as a table. Also lets down, has the filler cushion here, so you actually have a lounger from the front all the way to from the back all the way to the front of the boat. You look down here at the JL speakers. They're kind of positioned a little odd looking. That's by design. JL actually does acoustic testing on all the Whaler's models, so you have the optimum sound and performance from the JL speakers. Nothing, like I said, nothing is unturned with the Whalers. They are high quality. All of your cushions, once this is down in a casting platform, where am I going to put my cushions? Well, that's real easy. If you can't find them to put them in there, you got too much stuff. You actually have storage inside storage. Like I said, this is the Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. Won't be here long. Inventory's going fast. Give me a call. Let's take it out and show you why you want this boat. Jody Walters, MarineMax, Panama City Beach.